Hello, good and wonderful people. Welcome back again. It's your girl, AB World Entertainment. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Depends on the time you guys are watching me from. Another one that they share again for inside Nigeria. Buhari, what you want on this country, Nigeria too? My people, many questions for the day. Many things they share for inside Nigeria. This story where I want to give you so be like story. It shockalize me, my people. President Muhammadu Buhari don dey fight to get the 37 states of Nigeria. Una know say na 36 states now we fit get. But now President Muhammadu Buhari is trying to make it 37 states. This one will shock una, my people. Oh, they say who get the head, no get the cap. Who get the cap, no get the head. Now be Nigeria story. Now wow. You get one post where I first see one certain time. He said Nigeria na photocopy. Say the original they don't lost her. Now true for this one where they see so where they waka they go so. My people, as I dey talk to una so, I shock and I weak. President Muhammadu Buhari one add one state join Nigeria. He never feed or even know the 36 state finish. He no fit even recognize in your governor. He want 36 states. You want add one join me make 37, my people. The wetin baffle me pass for inside the matter be say one state for inside Nigeria, they say they want waka comot, say they don't tire for suffer for hungry, no water, no light for decades of years. President Muhammadu Buhari no hear wetin they talk, but he come hear say person say me add one state join. He hear that one, but he no hear the one wey Nnamdi Kanu dey talk at all. Whether Nnamdi Kanu dey exist, this man no even know. But he want carry another palaba come put on top of palaba. They say wood wey dey down, they know they cut am. The one wey dey up, now they fit dey cut. He never first solve Nigeria problem finish. They add another one join am. Make una read the headline, my people. It say Benin Republic ready to become Nigeria 37 state. Minister Godfrey Onyema reveal. My people, this one shocked me. It shocked me well. The Benin Republic say they want give Cotonou side to Nigeria. They want put their pikin for house help. Now be this so. Benin Republic president, which is Cotonou side, they want give on to Nigeria. Men, it become Nigeria 37 states. I don't hear that one before, my people. What did they happen for inside Nigeria? No, they happen for another state. This one, Chineke got the move. Hey, President Muhammadu Buhari don't already accept. Say he won't bring 37 states. What the Cotonou people see for inside Nigeria? I don't know. The president of Benin Republic, when he first visited Nigeria, he revealed to President Muhammadu Buhari, say he want dash one state. He go dash on to Nigeria, may he become their 37 states. Our Baba can still agree. The pikin where you get for house, you never feed them. You still go to pack other children, can't join body. I don't understand. I been now these people they do the boko around people. I don't know. My people, make I read and they go make una understand what they talk. Una know say Ghana gets English and French speaking. Like now two part now they get. Even Cameroon, that's the same thing. They get English part and French part. So no say Nigeria no get another tribe, another speaking part apart from English. So now Nigeria want that whether na emulate I want call I no know. Emulate Ghana and Cameroon may still be like English and French part. Christian and Muslim, their fight never see finish. Never see who wants to solve the fight. Who want separate them. Now the matter will still separate ever since then. Till now we never see the head. We never see the tail. Oga Buhari dey pack another one, dey come again. So Nigeria come dey speak bonjour, bonsoir, comment tu t'appelles, je m'appelle, unappelle, imappelle, anything na pepepe. You understand? Na that one they want introduce called Nigeria now. My people, when Minister Onyema reveal am, when I see am, I feel say maybe na joke, na a night of thousand laugh. This thing na real, my people. Not be saying na wetin Benin Republic president see for Nigeria, I don't know. Whether na hunger or Nigeria will not know, say no light, no food, no good education, no roads, no water. They say one man's food is another man's fluency. We Nigeria, they complain, say Nigeria not good. Another person don't see Nigeria worthy. Say Nigeria good for their eyes. Say they want me one of their states be for Nigeria. Wetin dey pursue the man we want dash his state to Nigeria? I don't know. Okay, make I read this one for una for here. It say reaction has trade the statement earlier made by Nigeria Foreign Minister Godfrey Onyema, who suggested that Benin wanted to become Nigeria 36th state after a meeting of both countries, president and their representative ministerial delegation earlier in the month. The president of Benin said, as far as they are concerned, they want not just say it like that, but in reality, Benin should be the 37th state of Nigeria. Mr. Onyema told reporters, an audio of which was obtained by Prime Time. So in me now, not be say in the joke or maybe by yours the joke or by talk no. He really mean what in the talk. He said they want become Nigeria 37 states. So for ma to run dashing wife give another person, my people, it be like say something they pursue. Now hunger, I been insecurity. I don't understand. Nigeria where insecurity full, where no light, no food, no good government, no president. Now another person they waka they come say as I earlier talk, one man food is another man points my people. He still went further to say we should really be one. They charge us to come together as minister level to work out a framework for a sustainable relationship, he added. But the minister appealed to have walked back Mr. Onyema's statement by saying the minister was quick quote out of context. The Honorable Minister of Foreign Affairs, Godfrey Onyema, in the presence of his counterpart from the Republic of Benin, granted a press interview after a very fruitful meeting between minister delegation from both countries. The minister statement read. The statement further said that after a very fruitful meeting between minister delegation from both countries, the minister's statement read. The statement further said that what the minister's mean was that the president of Benin Republic said he would like the relationship between the two countries to be so close as if Benin was the 37th state of Nigeria. French-speaking Benin, frankly, Nigeria to the west, and both countries have been in a good diplomatic role in recent years after the Nigerian government accused its Benin counterpart of not doing enough to check smuggling through its border into Nigeria. Okay, after enough fighting where they come fight, they come realize that they want become brother and sisters now. When I know say President Muhammadu Buhari be close border, say many things where he no want, food where they don't want or contraband, they carry and pass Benin Republic. You understand? So after they don't fight now, they don't settle now. So wetin President Muhammadu and the president of Benin Republic come they do now to become the same papa and the same mama pikin. Now they want come become now. So now make the contour say make them just dash Nigeria, that Cotonou side, and maybe their 37 state. I never hear this one before, my people. Make una listen well. This informed why the Nigeria government shut its border in 2019, a move citizen by some back home and seen as an economic station on the 10 Africa neighbor. The Nigeria government reported the border reopened the border last year after over a year of close. So my people, now wetin I see, now I say make I let una know say President Muhammadu Buhari and the president of Benin Republic don finally dey plan how to bring Benin Republic, part of Benin Republic, which is Cotonou side, this French-speaking side, to become our own. So my people, make una ready for bonjour, ça va, comment tout à fait, ça va Pierre, ça va Bono, ça va everything na saba. Now na come dey speak now. So with this one now, no say some of Nigeria people they learn French, but with this one, it will come make una know how to speak the French well. So our people, you people are welcome to this family as soon as they come with peace. With the Nigeria, we still welcome una. So what you want? Our papa don't accept una. Now we with the children, now we can't say we no go accept una. You are welcome home, Cotonou speaking French side. So my people, now so I see what I see you. Make I leave una, make una listen to this video. I beg make una help me share am, make una give me a thumbs up. If you never subscribe before, I beg me use this opportunity to subscribe and also leave comment for me in the comment section. To my new subscriber, you all are welcome to this wonderful platform. And to my returning subscriber, God bless you all. I so much appreciate you all. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. Thank you, everyone. So, je m'appelle, tout à fait, ça va bien, merci. Tchuss.